guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney. And today it does have some Disney items, but today's a little bit different because my birthday just passed. Woohoo! It started in quarantine, it's still in quarantine, but I'm hoping my next birthday we are out of it and I can actually celebrate it like a normal individual outside of your house. But this birthday was a little bit different because my first birthday was right when everything happened. Everything closed down, so it was just my husband and I in the house in a little bit of a panic because that's when everything started. But this time it felt better. We were, my husband and I are now both vaccinated. My family all had their first vaccine and they were about to get their second, so we were actually spending my birthday with them, and it was so nice because I didn't see them for Christmas or Thanksgiving or any of those holidays, and it was just nice. And they threw me a Coco inspired party. If I have any footage, I'll put it here. It was so nice, so sweet of them. It felt like I was a kid again. It was just very nice, very magical. Thank you for doing that for me, you guys. Okay, so I just thought I would show you some of the things that I got for my birthday, and then as well as some of the things I bought because it was my birthday month, birthday week, birthday year. So it's just a randomness haul, but I'm gonna call it my birthday haul because I'm gonna start with that. So let's start with some of the things that I got for my birthday. The first one is an Apple Pencil. My husband, or not my husband, one of my brothers said, my brother Eric said it was because I saw it on TikTok. Absolutely, Eric, absolutely, but you're more on TikTok than I am. But I really wanted one for a while, and now that I saw how people use it, I really wanted one, so I got one, and they got it for me for my birthday. I'm really excited. I haven't connected it yet. I might ask my husband to do that for me. I'm very tech savvy when I want to be. Like if it has to deal with work or for YouTube or for you guys, I figure it out. But if it's for myself, I get lazy and then I'm like, help me. Okay, the next thing they got me is a gift card, and they picked a really adorable Grogu one. So I am going to be going to Disney World soon, so that's what I used it. I didn't use it for a touch of Disney because any gift card that I'm getting is for Disney World trip. That's what I told myself. And then they also got me an Ulta gift card. Happy birthday, which is kind of nice. I'm kind of saving up for a Dyson. They're so expensive. They're like $400, and no. So again, if I get gift cards, eventually I'll have enough gift cards that I can justify my purchase because it won't feel like it's my money. The next thing they got me is this iSteady Mobile. I asked for something similar and they got it to me. I already used it. We used it for a touch of Disney, so a lot of that footage that you guys are seeing on there was filmed using one of these. So it didn't look so much as Cloverfield, that's what I like to say. It wasn't as shaky as my first vlogs. It was a lot better. My husband loved it, and it actually made my husband want to film me more. Sometimes I'm like, can you film me? But this time he's like, oh, I got you, and he was just like holding it. I think he's like holding it and playing with it, and yeah, I was a little bit scared they're gonna let us into the parks with it, and they did, so that was nice. I did see other people with it. But then the next day we noticed that somebody wasn't allowed in with something that looked similar. So I don't know what the protocol is. I'm gonna have to call and ask before I go to Disney World because I don't want to be stopped at the gate and told I can't bring it in, because then I'm like, oh great, what do I do with it? So yeah, so thank you for all that. Another thing that I got for my birthday is wait, what? Twins, Basil? Let me know if you get the reference. I make too many references. Yes, twins. My parents-in-law were the ones who got me this one, and now they got me a second one. Yeah. And I do have more ears, you know? When they first got me this one, I had like 2 pairs of ears. Now I have a bucket. I know that sounds weird. I have a bucket of ears because of Magic at Your Door, our recent trip. I found these beautiful ones. So this is gonna look really cute once I figure out the background on how I want to do it. It's just great. So aesthetically pleasing. Thank you so much. So cool. And then of course I got different things and cards, and we had a card picnic, which is really lovely. We ate at Fuddruckers, which is one of my favorite places. There's some in Texas, there's some in Cali, and there's some in Arizona. I don't know where else there is, but if there's one near you, get the Mojo fries, I think that's what they're called, and get the jalapeno cheese to dip them. And their shakes. I'm not a big shake person, but that place, I love their shakes. Yes to that place. All right, and then I think that's it. And then of course some other items that they gave me money, so I bought myself stuff with the money. It's kind of like their gifts. I never know what to call it because I'm like, technically they gave me this because they gave me the money to buy it, but you get it. But thank you for those of you who gave me a gift. So nice, or you thanked me, wished me a happy birthday. I really appreciate it. Alright, let's go to the random knackeries now. We ready? Okay, one of the things that I was really excited about is another Tory Burch. Ta-da! If you're like, ugh, purses, yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. So actually, by my parents' house, there's a Tory Burch outlet. Yes, outlet. And they have great prices. I think they're even better than Nordstrom Rack prices, honestly. Like, I don't know why I feel like Nordstrom Rack is not always brand new. I think it's just more touched. But these things are like new. Sometimes they come in wrapping still. They go back to get them. So I got this beautiful green Tory Burch purse. This will be my third one. I have a brown Tory Burch. I have a black one that's like my favorite. And then this guy. I just don't have a green one. My husband loved the color. He was shopping with me and I've never seen him so excited to like shop with me for bags. But he really liked this color so much that he made me, like, he convinced me that this was a great color. Because I was about to get like a pretty pink one. But this is what it looks like. Here's the chain. It has a Tory Burch emblem on there. It's like a nice little green. I do like that it has this pocket. That's usually where I shove my receipts whenever I'm like getting rushed by the cashier. It is a magnet button, and then you open it up. It has more of the strap on here. It has quite a bit of pockets actually for more of those like frantic things, or chapstick, receipts. There's like another interior one where I'll probably put like my cards, enough for hand sanitizer, hand wipes, facial mask. You know, all the new things women carry now in 2020. But it's just so cute, and I'm glad I got a green one. I really don't have this color, and it's just very like spring or even fall. Like I can do both, right? It can be very spring / summer, like Easter, or if I dress in black, it can be very fall. But there it is. Again, this was at the outlet, so I think it was like $200, which sounds like a lot for a purse. It is, but it's my guilty pleasure. You know how people like put money on, I don't know. It's my guilty pleasure. All right, the next thing is 2 random pops. My husband got them for me at the store. He was at Target and was like, I found these for you. So there's the Diamond Charmander. It is a Funko 2021 Spring Convention Limited exclusive. Look how shiny he is. Shiny. So that's what he looks like. Very, very cute on the back. I probably will not keep this little guy. He's either gonna go to my brothers. I believe one of my 2 brothers like him. I think he was a favorite for one of my 2 brothers, my mom, or a giveaway. It just depends. If they like, because my family's very supportive, so if they watch the video and they're like, I love him, it'll probably go to them. And then the next one that I am keeping is Yoda. Yoda, I love Yoda. I've always have loved Yoda, even before Grogu was a thing. I don't know why. My husband thinks I have a thing for green things because I have a Grinch Build-A-Bear that I'm obsessed with. I like him. I like Kermit. And I like Hulk. So maybe he's right. Not that Hulk is little, but you know. So it's just Yoda. Again, it's another one of those Funko convention exclusives. That's what he looks like. I probably will not take him out of the box just because he's a bobblehead. And they're just so fragile, they terrify me. So yeah, probably not gonna do that. But very cool. So excited to add him. I don't have a Star Wars pop. Like, I'm not a Star Wars person, but Yoda the man. Alright, and then from there we have 2 more random things. Oh, I forgot. We have 3 more random things. I have this backpack. I know you're like, what? I just have to show it. I was so proud of the bargain. So this is a Vera Bradley Target collection backpack. So this came out and it wasn't really talked about. I saw a couple things on Instagram about it and that's it. And the bags were $80 at Target. So it was still very Bradley prices. Well, a little bit less, but just at Target. And so obviously I looked at them and I was like, I cannot spend $80 on a backpack. Like, I know you're like, what? You just spent $200 on a purse. It's different, okay? It's different. But yeah, anyways, I waited and I waited and I waited and it went down to $40 and I was like, still not spending $40. And then it went down to $24 and I was like, fine, you got yourself a deal. It's like Shark Tank. At first I was like, stop the madness, and then yeah. Hopefully you watch the show. I need to stop. But $24! They had this color, they had a coral. that were nice. But I got this one because I think I'm gonna start putting Disney patches all over it, and it's gonna look very vintage. I just think the color looks very vintage already. So excited for this. It has, I haven't even opened it. I just bought it and I was like, it's gonna be great for this. But that's the inside. They did have a backpack with this design as well. And then it seems like a laptop bag because it has, again, this and then a laptop pocket. So this would be great for traveling if I'm going to like Disney World. And this would be a great airport bag with all my patches. So excited. Let me know if you want me to do a video of me like putting my initial patches on there. But yeah, $24. Go check your store right now because I think the black ones are now on sale too. I contemplated changing it to a black one, but I kept the blue. All right, the last two things. We have a hat. It is from Anthropologie. Look how beautiful this bag is, right? Do I throw it away? Probably not. I'll probably keep it for a couple months and then I'll throw it away because that's what people do. But I got this hat. It was 50% off. So originally it was, I have no clue. There's a sticker on there. Originally it was $70. And then, which I don't know who can pay $70 for a hat. Then it went down to $50. And then I got it for half off. So I paid $25 for it. It says Anthropologie in the middle. I don't have any hats that look like this, but I don't know. Maybe it's time for me to switch it up. And it kind of goes with my new dress. This is from Target. It's a dress. There you go. You saw a little glimpse of it. But yeah. What do you think? Hopefully you like it because I can't return it. It's a final sale, so. Alright, the last thing that I forgot, and I'm sorry I forgot this, is another birthday gift. Give me a second. I forgot it because it's back there. Alright. The last thing I forgot is my mom gave me her gym shore item. It was out of nowhere. I don't know where it came from. But it's the storybook of Beauty and the Beast. There it is. And I already opened it. Spoiler alert, I also got one in my Magic at Your Door box, so I have two now. So I'm probably gonna do a giveaway with one of them once I get to like maybe 500, I don't know. But this is what it looks like. It's absolutely stunning. Once upon a time, it has Lumiere, it has Beauty and the Beast, it has Cogsworth, but look at Lumiere's nose, like what? You can totally see it. I don't even have to zoom in so you guys can see that nose right here. What happened there? They could have just given him like a cute little button nose, you know? But it says Beauty and the Beast in the back. It's beautiful. I used to have no gym shorts and now I have two. What's happening to me? What's happening? But yeah, that's it. That's the end of my birthday / random haul. What was your favorite thing? What do you get for your birthday? I'm always interested to know. Again, this birthday, I think the best part was spending time with my family, either in the car as we did a car picnic and caught up, or in the house with a Coco theme party and cake, and it was just a great memory. I think that was my favorite part of my birthday. That was my best gift. But yeah, I also got other stuff like, you know, random stuff that B bought me throughout the day. Went shopping, had a great time. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know how we got so crooked. Did I like crooked you? I'm sorry, I'll do this. I'll even this out. But yeah, don't forget to hit the bell as well. I come out with videos every Wednesday and Saturday, although sometimes I get a little off schedule, not gonna lie. And the bell will help you, tell you, notify you when my videos are out. I hope you have a great